want to real calls from Google without was everyone. I hope you are doing well. I'm Pappu Mollik, professional data marketer and web analytics expert. Today in this video, I'll try to share with you Google local ads. Let's start. Wasting money on clicks. Most businesses are missing. This is called Google local service ad, and this is what completely different from traditional Google ads. Normally, with Google ads, you pay for every click, even if the person never calls you. Like if anyone people is clicks there, like this is the PPC campaign, like normally Google Ads account to when we run PPCs, this type of ads will be shown. If anyone people is like clicks, then actually Google will be charged. Okay, so that's why actually many business waste the money for local ads, but no real lead. But when you will be on Google services, you only pay when someone actually contact with you, and your ads show at very top of Google ads. Like you can see SBS Boston, you can see there is show, right? So also, and you get the Google guarantee pass for trust, like this. Understand? You can see like Google guarantee best for the trust. That means more calls, more real customer, right? So right now I'm managing someone client for local service, and they are getting consistent lead every week. Key is like perfectly set up, proper verification and smart optimization. So right now I will try to share with you live local as result. So don't miss out. Just watch. So normally our Google has this type of, and your local services will be show this type of. Okay. So this is the local services, and if you see the result, then you can see this is the cleaning business actually. So you can see like if I show you like just think, just so like one day 2 calls received and hit the chart, and you can see like day 2 1 2 3 calls, and you can see like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 calls from one day. You 1 2 3 start day he received like 3 calls. Understand? So I hope you can understand for this. So really, this is the live project I'm trying to share with you. Like this is the live local service. Most of the people actually don't know actually how can I set up this. How actually also most of the people don't know how to filter bad leads, dispute in bleed leads, or optimize for better calls. That's where I help business save money and grow faster. If you want more calls instead of unless click, message me just LSA, and I will help you set up this the right way. So don't be late. You just use the comment, message me on my social media. If you want, then you can connect with me my Facebook and WhatsApp, and also you can see my portfolio site. So that is. So thank you so much. See you.